3 suspected robbers were forced to spend hours of the night at Ingo Wholesalers Beer Depot, where they are reported to have attempted to steal beer. According to residents, the thugs were mysteriously unable to leave with the loot. Police foiled attempts to lynch them and are investigating the matter.
Early morning, Kaega, Kakamega County, residents and the owner of the Ingo Beer Depot wholesalers woke up to a spectacle. 3 robbers who had last night allegedly stolen from the depot and attempted to steal for the second time, and according to them were mysteriously unable to get away and seemingly stuck. The owner of the depot, Vincent Umuka, claims that the robbers had made away with property of unknown value. As he counted his losses, a lynch mob was baying for their blood, leveling more accusations against them.
Kwa nini wamechukua wamepeleka Kakamega? Askari wanapewa hongo. Na watatoka na watarudi kuiba. Kwa nini wanafanya hiyo kitendo mbaya?
Sasa ingilia yeye, sisi watatufanya nini? Hawa watu wamalizwe hawa. Serikali tunaomba watupee hawa watu, sisi tufanyie kazi yetu.
Muka says this is not the first time his depot has been targeted. 2 years back, armed robbers attempted to steal from him, but 3 of them were lynched. Police dispersed the angry mob. Who vowed to still take matters in their own hands. Dorcas Wangira, KTN News, Kakamega.